GIFs are short snippets from videos, and they're smaller than videos to share across different operating systems and applications. That's one of the reasons it's so popular in social media today. In this video, we will guide you on how to make a GIF from a video using Filme and share them on social media to stun your audience. Step 1. Import the video you are going to convert to GIF. The latest version of Filme also lets you import folders and media files from a connected smartphone. Then drag your video to the video track for later editing. Step 2. Now you can do whatever edits you want, including video cropping, trimming, video speed control, color balancing, and more. Adjust duration of your video. GIFs are usually up to 5 to 7 seconds long, so you can adjust the duration of the video by dragging its edges to the duration you need. Add effects to your video. Adding effects to the video can make your project gorgeous and eye-catching. Just click the Edit tab and choose the filter or animation that you want to add to your project. Add text to your video. GIF has no sound, so you will need to add some text to the video and explain it. Just go to the text menu in the top left of the window. Select any of the text and click the plus button in the center of the text. Then you can easily set the font, alignment, size, color of the title with ease. Once you're done with title editing, just adjust the duration of titles by dragging its timeline. Step 3. When it's all done, you can export the video as a GIF image by clicking the Export option and choosing GIF as the output format. And that's it! Congratulations! You know how to make a GIF from a video now. Please feel free to leave a comment below if you want to know more about our product. See you next time!